Hello everyone. I figured I would make a YouTube video about this. My wife's 2000 Nissan Pathfinder. She was backing out of the garage the other day. The garage door did not go up all the way. And she ripped the shark fin antenna. Yeah. This is supposed to be attached to that. And the cosmetic cover broke off as well. The local Nissan dealer was able to get this cover next day. The antenna, on the other hand, the base, was on back order. I live in Northeast PA, and the closest dealer that had one was in Brooklyn, New York. 2.5 hour ride. Said to my wife, what are you going to do? I have to go get it. So they held it for me. I think the antenna with the tax was like $150 for the base. And yeah, there's some scratches here. I'm going to see about maybe trying to find a used one of these down the line. But so we're going to go ahead and replace this, because I don't know if a lot of do-it-yourselfers out there at the dealer, they've been saying that these are getting ripped off at car washes. So let's see what's all involved in changing this. So as I look at the new part, we have a 10mm bolt and a gasket that goes around that's going to seal on the roof. And it actually looks like it's kind of in line with this dome light, so maybe I don't have to take the back of the headliner down. Let me see. We'd start with popping this dome light out, and we'll go from there. Alright, got the camera set up on the stand here. Let's see. Got a small flathead. Let's see if I can pop this out. Usually they're in here with a couple clips. I don't want to break nothing. Let's see here. Oh, there it goes. Ooh, that bulb's hot. Ooh. Watch out, don't burn yourself. Alright, there we go. So that was easy. Just a couple spring-loaded clips and a really hot dome light bulb. Yeah, that was good on the fingertip. All right, and yeah, look at that. There's the bolt right there. So I can get this up here. Switch the camera around. Yeah, there's the bolt. All right, let's get at that bolt. Okay. Just using a 10mm 1/4 inch drive on about a, I don't know, 6-8 inch extension. Let's find where the plug is at. Oh, look at that. There's no way this job is this easy. Let me take the bolt out all the way, because that's the metal that spreads out with the bolt when you tighten it. I could probably take this bolt all the way out. Like that. Boom. Let's get that antenna off there. All right, let me climb up on the tire here. There we have it, folks. Now, the only thing I did notice that when she did the damage, the antenna wasn't sitting flat to begin with. Now, I don't know if because this may be distorted, but there's a little bit of a kink here. I think from when the antenna tipped forward. You can probably see it in the light right there. A little dent. Let's see what it looks like from here. So, I don't know how I'm going to do this, but I'm going to see about if I can get maybe a block of wood and hit it with a hammer from the inside. I'll keep you posted. That's what we're going to do. Alright, so I'm sure any piece of wood would do. I'm a woodworker. So I have this piece of cherry I've pre-cut from cutting boards. And so this white trim here that holds the dome light in, I'm just pushing it forward so I can get on an angle up here and get at that dent. Looks good. Let's see what we got here. Oh. Roof is very, very flimsy right here. Oh. Let's see what it looks like. Alright, I think I got it. Got a step stool this time. So I cleaned it up with some quick wax. This here was lifted where it's bolted. So I used a wood, I hammered that down. Hopefully it'll seal. It'll just be more of a cosmetic thing. I'm just more worried about the sealing around the hole. Yeah, that's not paint there, that's just... Alright, let's put the new antenna in. Alright. Try to get the light closer. Alright, here's the new antenna. It's going to go on like this. I'm going to feed the wire through and then tighten the bolt up. Light is clipped in. That's about it. Doesn't want to tighten anymore. So it's good. So let me go up and look at the roof. Let's see how it's sealed. Oh yeah, it's good. We have a little lift here. Again, I don't know. Maybe the when the bezel goes on. All right, let's plug it in. All right. Let's plug it. I can't find it. Oh, there it is. Can't see nothing. It's all by feel. My hands are too big for this hole. I didn't get the flash to work to help me out here. There's the... That's what I have to plug into back there. Can't get the phone in there to show you. But that's it right back there. Which way does it go? Can't remember if the button was up or down. Alright, the button was up. Goes this way. Alright, let me put the phone back. May have to get my 10-year-old down here with her little hands. Long pair of needle nose would probably work too. So. Maybe I could slide this bezel over that way. No? come on. The memory of this plug just wants to keep rotating on me, so I'm trying to twist it so I'm not fighting it. So far this is the most aggravating part of the job. Jesus. It doesn't help I have carpal tunnel. Come on. So one thing I want to add too is the talked to the service manager at the dealer, and he talked to a tech. This is simply plug and play. No calibration needed. Tech said if anything you may have to go do some figure eights in a parking lot if the GPS is acting screwy. But doesn't help, sweat's pouring off my head right now. Wow. This is ridiculous. Ridiculous. Yeah. If the plug would have been directly at the hole, that would have been the most perfectly engineered design. There, got it. Sweet. Okay, now, while me screwing around here, the damn plug for the dome light I have probably pushed around. Oh, here it is, right there. All right, dome light, you just line the clips up, spring clips, plug it in first. Ta-da! Make sure it works. On, off. Oh, you know what? I wonder if it timed out because I had the door open for so long. All right, let's do this. Overall, we like this car. It's a great car. We had a Cadillac SRX before that. I have a Yukon. We don't really need this for the third row, but it's definitely a very good car. Roomy. I'm a big guy. I'm 6'2", about 280. I could sit in the back. We're not even feeling tight. How come this ain't going in? Oh, this clip. Okay. Yeah, I figured this is my first YouTube video. Might as well do some. My daughter's always making stuff, so why not, right? There we go. Perfect. Boom. All right, let's pop that cosmetic cover on. We should be done. So this is the new one. The old one, the tabs broke off it. So again, I think this was like $50. Now it's black. I don't know the other painted ones, what the cost of those are. But this should snap right on here. Should. There we go. Perfect. Just like the day we bought it, right? So there's a little gap there. But the main part is that's sealed. I don't know what it looked like prior. I'm assuming it was flush. But we're good. Good to go. I'll definitely attach the video of her hitting the garage door. Just by chance we have a camera in the garage and we happen to catch it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and good luck if you have to change it. It's not bad. I wouldn't pay a dealer to do this. This is something any guy, girl with some knowledge could do. At the end of the day, all I needed was a small flathead screwdriver, this guy here, to pop that trim out, and a 10mm on a ratchet. That's all I needed. Alright, take care. Now it's time to see if the dogs want to go for a ride. Who wants to go for a ride? Come on, let's go for a ride. Let's go test out Mom's new antenna. Come on. In the back. Come on, Rosie. Rosie, come on. Let's go try out the new antenna. Rosie got shotgun. Alright, let's see. See if there's any error codes or anything. Map. Well, that's good. Pointing in the right direction. Oh, garage door's open. It's a sign. It's a good sign. So, one thing that I will add too is we have an old style garage door opener with limit switches in it. There's no really electronics to it. There's no door sensors. It didn't sense the car. It just stopped. Don't know if we had a frequency interference or whatever, but I am an automation technician full-time. I am gonna add a rocker limit switch to the door track, and I'm going to add a green LED light inside the garage. So it's a visual indication that when the rocker switch is touched, when the door is fully open, the green light's going to come on. So therefore, no more mishaps. You got me once, garage door. You're not getting me again. Alright, I know I shouldn't be holding my phone and driving. I live on a country road. If anything, just got to worry about for deer. But GPS is reading good. I'm going to get off the phone, check the radio, the FM, AM, who listens to AM, Sirius, all that fun stuff, make sure everything's good. Right, Rosie? Check everything out. So, Rex approves the new antenna. Right, Rex? Radio works fine, FM, Sirius, navigation works, and Rosie, do you approve? She says yeah. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you later.